Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how manifestation is the process of bringing something into reality through positive thinking and visualization. But it's not just about thinking happy thoughts, it's about taking action and truly believing that what you want can be yours. Step 1. Get clear on what you want. Be specific about what you want to manifest and why it's important to you. Write it down and keep it somewhere where you'll see it every day. Step 2. Believe in yourself. You have to truly believe that you can manifest your desires. If you have doubts or negative thoughts, it's going to be much harder to manifest your goals. Step 3. Let go of attachment. It's important to let go of attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe will bring you what you need when you need it. Let go of control and have faith that things will work out. Step 4. Be grateful. Be grateful for what you already have in your life and for what you're manifesting. Gratitude helps to attract more positive energy into your life. Remember, manifestation is not a one-time thing. It's a daily practice that requires consistency and patience. Keep working towards your goals, and trust that the universe will bring you what you desire. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on manifestation and personal development.